Hi everyone, it's Chris from Coconut Bay and Serenity at Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa. And today we're going to show you how to make a few drinks that you can make from the comfort of your own home. We are going to start with the Crazy Coconut. It's a guest favorite, and let's get going. Okay, you're going to start with some ice. And then it's going to be equal parts Bounty rum. This is Bounty Gold. Coconut rum. White vodka. And then we're going to add a dash of amaretto and blue curacao. The blue curacao is going to give it that nice blue color. And then we're going to top it off with orange and pineapple. There you go. Give it a quick stir. Get all those colors blended together. And garnish at the top with a nice fresh lime. Cheers.